Hello, welcome to Pop Along RC. Now I'm out in the garage, out in the workshop, because I've got a little bit of work to do. So recently I've been messing around with short course trucks. Unfortunately, the grass around here is a little bit long, so I've been taking them out on the tarmac, also out on the BMX track. BMX track is a little bit of a car killer, and unfortunately we've done a bit of damage. I have got here the original Toro. This one has been modified a little bit. So what I've done is I've shortened the shocks on here. I've upgraded the tyres. I've also put in a Mamba Max Pro. And over this side, we've got an 8.5 turn brushless system in that. This thing, crazy fast, wheelies around. Unfortunately, when it comes to turning, it literally rolls over. As you can see at the front here, we've got a little bit damage. Unfortunately, I haven't got round to replacing the chassis and also the front bumper, so I've literally used a bit of shoe glue to hold that in place. So there is a little bit of work needs doing to this one, but other than that, this car is a little bit crazy. As you can see, it's super low down. There's not much flex in that, but it is crazy fast. Next up then we have this one. This is the brushless Zorro. Again, this one has been heavily modified. If I just undo that, pop this out of there, as you can see here, we have got the full alley chassis on this car, alley front end. This is probably to date my favourite short course truck. The way it handles, the way it grips on the sort of tracks that we use it for, this is super fun. Can't wait to get this one racing up against some tracks of slashes. At the moment, hasn't got any damage either, so it's all in good nick, apart from where it got attacked by a dog, and got a few puncture marks in the shell, but otherwise, this car is good to go. Now for the third of the FTX short course trucks, the Apache. Wow, what a car this is. Hopefully you've seen a video where we took this out for the first time. We have taken it out again. Unfortunately, we abused it a little too much, and we have got a minor break on that. So let's take a look at the problem. So as you can see, this car is fresh off the trails. Haven't got round to cleaning it as yet. It is a little bit on the grubby side. The grass around here is far too long, so therefore we can't run it on the fields, which we've got planned, and we've been running it at the BMX track. If you abuse a car too much, you are bound to do some damage. So damage wise, what have we got? Looking at the front end of the car, bumper's intact, shocks are intact. Let's have a quick look at the bottom there. We've got some minor scuffage on the front bumper, but this metal plate is really strong, and therefore, other than a few scratches, that is all good. So the servo is nicely protected under there. We have got no issues with the front end of this car whatsoever. Okay, back of the car, again, similar sort of situation. We have got cosmetic damage at best, some scratches there. Structurally, we are all good. So as far as breakages go, it's here. That is all it is. So all done is we've actually snapped the bolt that holds the wheel on. So what you normally have is you'll have a pin that goes there, then the hex goes on top, and the wheel goes on over the top of that. So if we look at this side, it's basically the pin that runs through the center of the wheel. So we've got that bit is broken, so need to get online and order that one part, and this thing is ready to rock and roll again. So I am a little bit impatient, and I want to take this car out sooner than that. So what I'm actually going to do, because the Rokotan is an identical chassis, I'm going to pinch the nut off the Rokotan, fix this car up so it's ready to go, and then I will wait for that part to arrive, and I can throw it back in the Rokotan. So let's get this one fixed so we can take it out and have another play. So as for the other half of the bolt, it is still in the wheel. So I'm going to pop that out. So there they are, all three FTX short course trucks, the Apache, the Zorro and the Toro. Which one is best? Tune in soon to find out. Will it be the Apache, the four-wheel drive short course truck? Probably the most durable truck of the collection. Will it be the FTX Zorro, probably the best handling of the collection? Or will it be the heavily modified Toro, which out the box is definitely the cheapest option to get yourself a short course truck? We're going to get all three of these on a grassroots track very soon, so do tune in, and I might even pull out a few of these other short course trucks to join in the party.